My name is David Owulewa. I am a student at Solutions Platform.
Hi, my name is Uche. I'm a student at Solution Platforms.
My name is Oswald Chimja Justin. I was once a student of Solutions Platform. Solutions Platform is a great place, to be honest. The environment that everything about is conducive. You don't feel pressured, you feel very comfortable. And with the help of teachers giving us PDFs, textbooks, and showing us where and how to read, I thank God I was able to get 1,480 in my SAT.
On coming to Solution Platform, I was really anxious and scared that I won't be able to do well SATs. I thought SAT wasn't my calling. Then I came here, they were very welcoming and nice, and they're very encouraging as well. I feel like if I was to write my exam towards this week, I would get like a 1,580.
When I got here, I was excited because I love opportunities more than anything. But before that, I had to write an exam. In preparation for this exam, my tutors have been excellent. They've helped me hurdle through difficult tasks and they helped me with my learning process. Besides the exam, they also help with preparation for college or university, and it's perfect for me.
The teachers are very nice, they are very approachable. They don't force you or they don't yell at you. They are very open and ready, regardless of how many times they need to explain it.
For English, I learned something called M-dash. It's where there's a dash between a sentence that makes it non-essential. And I noticed that when I read my Bible, I use an NLT version and it's really useful. I plan on being a writer, and obviously as someone who wants to write books and stories, things like that. I also want to go into like the film industry. You have to be able to be confident in speaking to audience and trying to understand what your audience wants and needs. So I really believe that Solution Platforms have helped me with my confidence and boost my confidence. If it was on 10, it was on 100 now. So thank you.
Overall, it's a great place to be, and it gives you many opportunities that regularly you don't get to further your education.